Guys, this is Ayush and that was a split drawing of Goku Master Ultra Instinct and Ultra Instinct. This was the first time I ever drew Goku Ultra Instinct on my channel and I am so happy with the results. I really enjoyed the coloring because these colors were some of my favorite colors to use. Because it was a big drawing, while inking I had to make sure that the lines are straight and they are not shaky, and at the same time I had to maintain the pressure on the nib to make sure there are variations in thickness and thinness of lines. And while coloring, the aura was the most challenging part, especially the aura which was on his face. I had to color that directly in my first attempt itself. And for making that Ultra Instinct's heat around the body of Goku, I used the white gel pen and I used my finger to smudge some of the white ink so that it gets a little transparent, and also it gave a really nice effect of Ultra Instinct aura. However, I was not able to record a small clip of coloring when I was coloring his forehead with the pink color, but overall I am really happy with this drawing and I had so much fun making it. I hope you enjoyed the video too. If you did, then drop a like and share your views down below in comment section. And if you like this drawing, then you can also grab a print of this from my Redbubble shop, for which I'll be sharing the links down below in description box, so go check it out. And if you are not subscribed yet, then subscribe for more awesome videos and for more awesome drawings. Also ring the bell so that you get notified whenever I'm on YouTube. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.